Last but not least, here in our discussion on pages, I want to show you something called page templates. And the default Kubrick theme that we're using with our blog here supports 2 page templates: archives and links. And I'd love to show you each of these. I'd love to show you how these guys work. So what I'm going to suggest that you do is keep your live blog tab open inside your browser. If you went and closed it, no worries. But if you still have yours open, keep them handy because we want to use this guy to preview our changes here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to head back over to the back end of our WordPress blog. And then underneath the pages heading over on the left, let's go and create a new page. So go ahead and click on Add New. The title of our page, I'm going to type in My Blogs Archives. Okay, now the important thing here is that you don't type anything into the body area of your page. We're going to get the template to actually do all the heavy lifting for us here. So here's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to scroll down. And into this attribute module over on the right-hand side, we have template. Some themes have custom templates you can use for certain pages that might have additional features or custom layouts. If so, you'll see them above, in other words, in this drop-down menu. So again, the theme that we're using, we only have 2, archives and links. So of course, this guy is going to be for our archives. So go ahead and choose archives there. And then I'll scroll back up to the top, and let's go ahead and publish this guy. Go ahead and click on Publish there. All right, let's see what we get. So I'm going to go back to my live blog, and you can go ahead and refresh, Command-R or Control-R, and then underneath the Pages heading there on the right-hand side, we see My Blogs Archives. Go ahead and click on that guy. All right, now this is what we wind up with. Archives by month, February 2010, archives by subject, and there's all of our categories: Adobe, Flash, color, shapes, and of course that uncategorized. Pretty cool. So that's what a page template is. Now, don't forget, we still had that other template that we can use with this particular theme, the links template. So let's give that guy a try. So what I'll do here is I'll just back up inside my browser here. So I'm all the way back out to the top level of my blog. Let's head back to the back end of our WordPress blog, and we'll go and create another new page there from the left. And this time I'll call this guy My Blogs Links. Nice and generic there. Okay, once again, the trick for getting all this to work is to not type anything into the body area of your page. And then over on the right-hand side, I'll scroll down just a bit. Underneath template there, of course, this time we'll choose links. Okay, let's go ahead and publish this guy. And once this guy's published, we want to go and check out our results. Back over to our live blog. Go ahead and refresh, Command-R or Control-R. There's my page, My Blogs Links. And there we wind up with, remember that blog rule that's come up every once in a while during our time here together, and a list of all the links that we have included inside our blog. So there you go. There's working with those template pages, and there's working with pages as a whole here inside WordPress. I hope you can find a lot of this useful. Now, you know what's interesting? It's interesting that we left off on this links template with the blog roll, because in the next chapter, we're going to be talking about creating and managing your blog roll.